If you run a security installation business in Australia, your insurance needs go beyond what a standard trade policy typically covers. You are installing systems that clients depend on to protect their properties, their assets, and in some cases, their personal safety. If a system you install fails to perform as specified and a client suffers a loss as a result, a burglary, a fire that was not detected, an access control failure, the potential liability is significant and requires specific coverage that many generic trade policies do not provide. Here is what cover security installation businesses need, what it typically costs, and how to approach comparing policies. Public liability insurance is the essential foundation. Installing cameras, alarm systems, access control, and intercoms in residential and commercial properties creates genuine third-party liability exposure. Damage to a client's property during installation, an injury during a site visit, or a system failure that results in property damage, public liability responds to these claims. $5 to $10 million in cover is standard for most security installation businesses, with higher limits common for commercial and government work. Professional indemnity insurance is particularly important for security businesses. If a system you design and install fails to detect an intrusion, fails to alert monitoring services, or otherwise does not perform to specification, resulting in a client loss, professional indemnity is what responds to the resulting claim. This is distinct from public liability. It covers the financial consequences of your professional advice, design decisions, and technical specifications, not just physical injury or property damage. Cyber liability insurance is worth considering for security businesses that manage connected systems, monitor client networks, or store client data. As security systems become increasingly networked, the potential for a cyber incident that affects your client's systems creates a liability exposure that traditional insurance policies do not cover. Tools and equipment insurance covers your installation tools, testing equipment, cable and wiring stock, and other items against theft and damage. Vehicle theft is a regular risk for businesses that carry expensive equipment in vans and utes. Workers' compensation is compulsory if you have employees. The physical nature of installation work, particularly at height and in roof spaces, creates an injury risk profile that is reflected in workers' compensation premium rates. What does it cost? For a sole trader security installer, a public liability and tools package might start from around $1,000 to $2,000 annually. Adding professional indemnity and workers' compensation increases the total. The key is ensuring your professional indemnity policy specifically covers security system design and installation. Some general professional indemnity policies exclude this category. Use the free business insurance finder at Reliable Business Tools to find the right cover for your security installation business. Answer a few questions and get matched with relevant options. No obligation.